Big breaking news coming in from Karnataka. The BJP cracking the whip on MLA Basangauda Patil Yatnal for anti-party activities. He's been suspended for 6 years, and this is because Yatnal has repeatedly taken on B.S. Yediyurappa and taken on the family, including Karnataka BJP chief B.Y. Vijayendra. And now, because of the same disciplinary action being taken by the BJP against Yatnal, he's been expelled from the party. He's been accused of repeated violations of the party discipline. Why? Because Yatnal in the last many months has publicly taken on Yediyurappa, accusing him of being infatuated with ensuring that his son has powers and saying that Yediyurappa doesn't care about the party, he only cares about his own family. He said Vijayendra is close to D.K. Shiv Kumar, and it's over these kind of comments and the fact that despite multiple notices, Yatnal never stopped making these kind of comments, that now he's been expelled for 6 years with immediate effect. Now Yatnal has also reacted to this, where in fact he's dismissed it, remaining defiant, saying, I will continue to do what I do. And even at this point, continues to mock Yediyurappa. So Yatnal in that statement saying everyone from Yediyurappa's family has to come. Sons, grandsons, even bring their house dogs and puppies. What more is left to say? This is the reward for working hard. This is the kind of statement, Sagai, that Yatnal is making right now after being expelled from the party. Clearly at this point, not repentant, remaining defiant.
Absolutely, he is one of the motor mouth when it comes to the BJP party, and this is not something new, even for the party members as well as the people who know him very well. He has made these kind of controversial statements. Despite on 10th of February, there was a show cause notice which was being issued to Basangauda Patil Yatnal. He continued to make a statement against B.S. Yediyurappa, against state BJP president, as well as other party members from past few days. And it was an expected line that the party might take some kind of disciplinary action, and now they have suspended him for next 6 years. He is not supposed to hold any kind of position within the office, and even the primary membership has been expelled for 6 years.
What's prompted this kind of action, Sagai? Yatnal, yes, has been a very vocal critic of Yediyurappa, but is this an attempt by the BJP to kind of quell factionalism within the Karnataka BJP unit?
Absolutely. It's an open secret that there was a factionism within the Karnataka BJP unit. And even if you notice that Yatnal's statement was a major drawback or a setback for the BJP in 2023 election. And he was one of those persons who was responsible for BJP to lose a huge number of seats in the North Karnataka region, because he has openly spoke against the party, stating that there's a huge corruption charges in the BJP party. And he has also slammed B.S. Yediyurappa when he was a chief minister. And despite there were warnings which was been issued stating that whatever the problem, whatever the grievances, whatever the complaint that he had to raise, he should raise within the four walls of the party. But still, he made public statements, and despite those warnings, he continued to make those statements attacking B.S. Yediyurappa and family members, and as well as the corruption charges against them. Now it has hurt the party in the 2023 election, and despite that, he has not learnt any lessons. He continued to bash B.S. Yediyurappa's family, and now again, even if you see the latest soundbite which he spoke in Delhi, he says that all his family members, including dogs, will also come. Yeah. But this is what the reward that he is getting, just being a hard-working party worker.
It's because of perhaps that kind of a reaction that the BJP has decided to take this disciplinary action, because Yatnal has refused to, step back. He's defiant, brazening it out, saying he will continue to target Yediyurappa. Clear, evident in the reaction that he's given now, saying even Yediyurappa's dogs in his house will continue to go forward, but those who work hard will be punished in this manner. Thanks very much, Sagai, for joining us with those details.